This program is brought to you by Western Union. Walang palya ang padala.
Isang mainit ngunit masayang araw sa inyong lahat mga kamarino. And good morning to you, Maricel.
Good morning mga kamarino at good morning sa iyo, Admiral. Once again, you are tuned in sa kauna-unahang telebisyon na programa po para sa pamilyang Marinong Pilipino.
That's right, Maricel. We always keep you updated pagdating sa mga maritime events. Tulad na lamang sa katatapos na Gregorio Oca Leadership Development na 2-day seminar na ginanap sa Intramuros.
We also attended another seminar and workshop na pinangunahan naman ng Philippine Association of Maritime Training Center Incorporated or PAMTCI.
Kaya tara na, let's sail once again. All aboard dito sa Yan ang Marino.
A 2-day seminar ng Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation o GOLD, dubbed as Handog para sa Pamilyang Marino, was a resounding success. 2 araw na puno ng saya at mahahalagang impormasyon ang aming nasaksihan. Let's all watch this! Ang Gregorio Oca Leadership and Development Foundation or GOLD ay nagbigay ng 2-day conference para sa mga marino at ito ay naganap sa Amosup Convention Hall sa Maynila. Ang handog sa Marinong Pilipino ay talaga namang punong-puno ng kaalaman at payo mula sa mga eksperto sa iba't ibang larangan na tiyak magagamit hindi lamang ng mga marino kundi ng kanilang pamilya. Kabilang sa mga tinalakay sa unang araw ng conference ang pag-ibig at pakikipagrelasyon.
Yung bagong sasakyan ko ay ginagawa pa at kumbaga yung kapalitan ko ay hindi pa bumababa. Hanggang sa talagang naubusan na ako na magkakataon na talagang okay na. Naroon na po yung aking guilty dahil una sa lahat, wala rin akong pagtiwala akong magsabihan.
Kalusugan at tamang pagkain. Ang lumalaganap na sakit na AIDS.
Every 3 hours, a Filipino is getting infected with HIV.
Hindi natin maiaalis yung stigma at saka diskriminasyon na nakadikit sa sakit na ito. Dahil marami pong mga misconception. Kinatatakutan ng taong may HIV at pinagdidirin. Yun ang gusto namin maalis. Immunodeficiency, sabihin, once na-infect tayo ng virus na yan, deficient na yung ating immune system. Kasi yun nga po ang target ng sirain, yung ating antibodies o yung tinatawag natural na depensa. Again, ang nature of infection ay viral. Kahit tayo ay infected ng HIV, wala tayong makikitang sign kaya walang symptoms na nararamdaman.
At tinuruan din natin silang magkarate. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang kasiyahan. Talaga namang napakaswerte ng mga marinong nakadalo. Isa lamang ito sa mga ginintuang programa ng Gold Foundation. Sa pagbabalik ng Yan ang Marino, ito ay ang makapaghanda para sa Management Systems Audit or EMSA ngayong buwan.
The seminar workshop, held recently at the Yamoussouk Convention Hall, was intended to orient the members of PAMTCI, or the Philippine Association of Maritime Training Centers Incorporated, to orient them on the new consolidated Marina CHED outcome-based evaluation instrument and the outcome-based maritime course design. Let's find out more about this from Chief Engineer Fred Habok.
Isa na namang hakbang upang lalong mapagbuti at mapataas ang kalidad ng Philippine maritime industry ang isinagawa sa pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang institusyon.
We are having seminar workshop on the Consolidated Marina and CHED Outcomes-Based Evaluation Instrument and Outcomes-Based Design of Maritime Training Courses. This validates the instrument that has been developed to assist Marina in coming up with the final copy of what to expect from different training centers regarding programs offered as per STCW requirement, Manila Amendment 2010.
We have the intention na ang lahat ng PAMTCI members must be able to orient ourselves on the new Consolidated Marina CHED Outcomes-Based Evaluation Instrument.
Research development designers and various maritime institutions who are members of the Philippine Association of Maritime Training Centers participated in the workshop.
PAMTCI is assisting Marina to come up with the final program by validating the instrument that has been developed, which will include the training program, assessment tools, and validation instruments for the audit.
Ano ba ang kailangan para masigurado natin na yung audit ngayon at saka yung audit sa Oktubre ay makakapasa na tayo? Sabi ko po, of course, we need the full support of the President and the Secretary. The institutional arrangement should be subjected to a medium long-term solution of institutionalizing in behavior of law. Kung sabi ko kayo na bahala po sa batas.
Isa sa mga objective ng workshop na ito ay ang makapaghanda para sa Management Systems Audit or EMSA ngayong buwan.
Ay maging outcomes-based na ang design. So maliwanag po ng bawat training process ay malaman natin ano po ang kahalagahan nito sa trabaho natin sa barko. Ang Marina, the whole government agencies involved in the maritime ay ready na. In fact, itong preparation namin is also in the preparation of that. Siguraduhin namin from our own side, from PAMTCI membership, ay ready rin kami kung kami po ay ma-inspect.
At
ang mahalaga po ngayon ay malaman natin anong outcomes na dapat nilang malaman at anong mga gagawin sa loob ng classroom at sa labas ng classroom as practice and support doon po sa outcomes na identified.
Ayon sa PAMTCI, ilan sa mga problema pagdating sa edukasyon,
nagkakaroon po ng mismatch ng products saka yung requirement ng industry. Hindi tumutugma ang produkto natin, kaya pagdating doon sa kanilang trabaho, kailangan pa nila dumaan po sa maraming training. At sabi ng mga kumpanya, bakit pa kami magbibigay ng training? Dapat ang mga eskwelahan o training center, ang siya ng responsibility nila na pag natapos ang education and training ay dapat tugma na sila sa pangangailangan ng industry.
Kaya naman ang mga training courses lalo na pagdating sa maritime schools, narito naman ang mga pagbabagong kanilang ipinatutupad.
Yung mga sa competencies required ng ating mga opisyales.
Dahil sa iba't ibang mga programa at masusing paghahanda, panatag ang PAMTCI na ang maritimong Pilipino ay handang-handa na sa mga pagsusuring ito.
I think this two-day seminar is very appropriate in preparation for the inspection of EMSA, trying to convert the present assessment being done to the students to outcome-based program.
Sa lahat po ng maritime stakeholders, Filipino mining companies, Filipino seafarers, at lahat ng ating mga kababayan, government in charge of maritime function, tayo po ay magtulong-tulungan at tayo ay magkaisa para siguraduhin natin ang ating bansa, ang ating Pilipinas ay magkaroon ng sapat na preparasyon, and later on makapasa po tayo sa audit na gagawin ng EMSA this coming April 16 to 19, at later on ang ating second phase of the audit this coming November or October, that will be for 3 weeks.
Papalapit na halalan, kailangan magkaroon ng sapat na kaalaman ang mga botante tungkol sa mga nagnanais na maglingkod sa bayan. Sa May 13, 2013, muli na naman nating magagamit ang ating karapatan na maghalal na mga opisyal na mamumuno sa ating bayan. Mahalaga ang boto ng bawat pamilyang Marino at mahalaga ding malaman natin ang mga kandidato na may puso para sa Pilipinong Marino. With 500,000 registered seafarers, Philippines at present is the #1 supplier of maritime labor to the world fleet. Kada taon, 4 na bilyong dolyar ang ipinapasok ng ating mga magigiting na marino sa kaban ng bayan. Sa papalapit na halalan, kailangan magkaroon ng sapat na kaalaman ang mga botante tungkol sa mga nagnanais na maglingkod sa bayan. Dapat hindi tayo umasa sa kabi-kabilang ipinalalabas na survey kung saan sino nga ba ang dapat ipasok na kandidato sa pwesto. Sa kapihang ginanap kamakailan sa Gregorian sa pangunguna ng Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation at ng Seafarer Asia, inilahad nila ang layuning matulungan ang maritime community to get to know the candidates who choose to make a stand for our seafarers.
Gold sa partnership with Yan ang Marino. Yan ang Marino is a weekly show sa PTV4, 11 to 11:30. Tapos, yes, every Saturday, focus naman yung maritime industry. Our partnership with them is that, kasi right now, ang focus nila more on education, and Gold naman is leadership and development. So I want sana na yung sessions namin, segment ng Gold, is to talk about nga how to educate seafarers and how to vote wisely. Then, sa election, meron din po kasi nabigyan po namin kayo ng magazine. Yan po yung magazine namin. We focus on the maritime community. It's the first family magazine dito sa maritime industry.
Entitled Halalan 2013, Boto ng Marinong Pilipino, ang election forum ay gaganapin sa May 7, 2013 sa Amusuf Convention Hall mula 8 o'clock in the morning hanggang 11 o'clock in the morning.
And we're the only industry na very hindi bumaba yung ng remittance. Kahit nung nagka-Asian crisis noong late 90s, kahit nagkaroon ng World Financial this is the election forum which aims to bring our candidates to the seafarers and the families. Kasi parang hindi yata nila nakikita how big that industry is. Like, we have 500 registered seafarers times 3, 4.
Yeah.
You get your voters. It will be broadcasted in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, Cebu, Davao, and Iloilo. Because we have partner schools. So may OGM siya doon.
Isa itong paghahanda para lubos nating makilala ang mga kandidatong nais mamuno sa bayan nang sa gayon ay mailuklok natin kung sino ang may maayos at magandang plataforma para sa ating mga marino at kanilang pamilya.
We invited candidates to present their platform to the maritime community. So, hindi lang seafarers who attend, their families, and anyone from the industry is invited to attend. Tapos we get questions from the audience and the students and their families also of voting age.
Siguro it's high time na to drum up some interest for the industry. Kasi naman this industry has been giving a lot. And that's what we aim to do sa Gold at saka sa Seafarer Asia.
Basta para sa kabutihan at kapakanan ng Pilipinong mandaragat, ang Yanang Marino po ay kasama ng Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation at ng Seafarer Asia sa adhikain nito na magkaroon ng mapayapa at maayos na eleksyon sa May 13, 2013. Indeed, Marisa Oca wears many different hats, but she does it with perfect aplomb.
Let's get to know this amazing woman who is passionate about her work and her role in enriching the lives of the Filipino seafarers and their families. This is our gift to you, Marisa. Happy birthday!
A woman of great substance is how I would like to describe Marisa Oca. A woman who has the passion to serve, a quality she got from her late father, Captain Gregorio Oca. As head of GIG and the Amazing Sampaguita Foundation Incorporated or GASFI, Marisa has made great contributions in encouraging and nourishing a lifelong love for reading among children and their families. Countless children and their families have benefited from the different programs of GASFI, which celebrated recently its 4th anniversary.
Happy birthday, boss! I'm wishing you the most amazing year to come, and thank you for sharing all your wisdom and your blessings with all the families of seafarers across the country. Happy birthday!
As publisher of Seafarer Asia magazine, she makes sure that it remains committed to its mission of putting a human face on the issues and concerns of the seafarers, including their families.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Marisa. From all of us here from your family and Seafarer Asia, we're very grateful to have a very inspiring leader like you. You're one in a million, and happy birthday.
As chairperson of Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation, Marisa Oca is dedicated to develop world-class leadership and wisdom that will help the Philippines shine in the global community.
Happy birthday, Marisa Oca. You are one of the most amazing persons I have ever met in my life. And thank you very much for influencing me to become the leader that I am today. I hope we can spread all the values and the love we both want to share to the maritime industry. Happy birthday!
As administrator of the Amos of Community Development and Shelter Program, she keeps on contributing to the fulfillment of the vision of Captain Gregorio Oca for the Filipino seafarers and their families. Indeed, Marisa Oca wears many different hats, but she does it with perfect aplomb.
As a friend, I don't think you can find anyone who can top how she is as a friend. She is true and generous, and the one thing that I really like about her is she inspires me. She's a visionary, and I will follow where she leads. Where you lead, I will follow anywhere that you tell me to.
That is why Marisa Oca is simply amazing. Happy, happy birthday! Cheers!
Happy 50th birthday, Marisa. Ay, mali. Siguro 50 plus birthday, Marisa. Hindi ko alam anong totoo. Anyway, I wish you good health in mind, body, and spirit always. And God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Marisa. We love you.
To Ma'am Marisa, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best in life. Thank you for all the opportunities you're giving the maritime sector.
In behalf of PAM-TCI Board of Directors at sa lahat ng members ng aming asosasyon, gusto po namin batiin si Madam Marisa Oca ng happy birthday. Sana po ay maging masagana ang inyong karawan at sa lahat ng araw ng taon at para po nandiyan kayo palagi para tulungan ang ating maritime industry. Maraming salamat po.
Marisa, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. April Fool's Day. Happy birthday, Marisa, and may all the best. I wish you all the best and on your birthday, and hopefully that you will be given by Lord above more birthdays to come.
Hi, Marisa. Happy birthday to you. Extraordinary. Yan si Ma'am Marisa. Happy birthday po. We love you. Amazing birthday. Yan ang wish namin for Ma'am Marisa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marisa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Miss Marisa. You are the most amazing leader anyone can have. Happy birthday, Ma'am Marisa. You rock.
Happy birthday, Marisa.
Marichelia would like to thank Dr. Almond Derla of La Estetica, Tomas Morato Branch, with hotline 332-8604.
As you know, learning is a lifelong endeavor which feeds our minds and helps us cope with the changes that we face in life.
Gusto ko lamang pong batiin syempre a good friend, a mentor, walang iba po, Miss Marisa Oca Robles, ng happy birthday. May all your wishes come true and of course, may God bless you with good health.
And that is to watch Yan ang Marino every Saturday morning from 11 till 11:30 here on PTV4.
That's right, Admiral. Kaya mga kamarino, don't stop learning new things. Dapat lagi tayong updated kung ano ang nangyayari sa industriyang ating ginagalawan. And of course, one good way to do this is...
You can also watch us through live streaming. Just type www.ptv.ph.
Tumpa! And visit our website sa www.yanangmarino.com and like us on your Facebook account. At syempre, i-follow niyo po ako ha, Mariel sa Twitter at Facebook. Happy weekend mga kamarino, but for now...
Anchors away!
Bye!
Bye-bye!
This program was brought to you by Western Union. Walang palya ang padala.